Welcome back to my channel. Today we're talking about the first month of my project pan 23 and 23 and how much of the products I used up, which one I brought in, all the good things. So if you want to see that, then keep on watching. Also, if you're new here, hi, my name is Nikki. I absolutely love colorful makeup, fun makeup. So if you want to see that more in your timeline, I upload 3 times a week. So subscribe to this channel. I would really love to have you here in my small little YouTube family. As per usual, I do have a good list of products and how many times I use them. Again, I do have several products I used up and then I also brought in, and yeah, I'm super excited. Let's start. Let's start with brow products in general. I used my Glam Shop brow powder 16 times, and to be honest, I would have used it more, but my hair color changed and I was in search of a more warmish color, and this one is of course cool toned because my hair before naturally are cool toned, and now again I do have these red lights. And listen, I need to change up my products a little bit, again this one as well as all the other products, to accomplish a little bit more of a warmth tone with them, so the eyebrows, so that I don't look silly, which will be difficult, let me tell you, because I search for like Essence, Catrice, all the things, and none of them are cool warm toned, so none of them will work for me, which is sad. So I am waiting indeed on the release of NYX Cosmetics new line and new brow products, so I can add a little bit of warmth to my eyebrows. And that is also for the NYX Lift and Snatch. Yeah, it's Lift and Snatch Brow Tint Pan. This one is, by the way, Ashbrown. When this one is finished, and no, it is still working, I used it 21 times, then I will switch to a warmer color. So far, I will use it, and I think it is going into the direction of like discontinued or decluttered, but so far it is still working. And when it's finished, I will add in a new color and the same product though, because I absolutely love it, and this is like holding up over a year now, so amazing. I also used the other eyebrow product, which is this one from Essence, and this is the Make Me Brow, and this is in the shade Blondie Brows. I bought this, we don't talk about this, but I used it 16 times. I did have the same problem with the Glam Shop powder. This is, first of all, blonde and way too light and also way too cool tone for my eyebrows. So I will switch it up in when I get a new product. At the moment, I do have one from Maybelline in my brows, which I will tell you when I do the haul of all the products I bought in January, that the packaging, the brow product would be warmer. It's not, which I am still a little bit pissed about that. But yeah, again, I would switch it out in a few weeks, month. I will keep you posted, and then I will add the other product to the list, because I have to say I absolutely love my reddish color hair or copper hair, and I'm not like, I have to say I think I will like leave it like this, and I don't want to go back. So yeah, I have to switch it out. But again, I used it 16 times in January. One product I did switch out, which I am so excited, is the Manhattan Stay All Day, it's the Endless Stay Eye Primer. This again is from Manhattan. The problem is indeed it's probably like empty or not. Listen, I can't remove the stopper. I tried so hard, but I can't remove the stopper, and I tried it a few days ago, and my eyeshadow just like, or the primer just stick to my eyes and I wouldn't blend. So I throw this one out. I used this 19 times, and for this product I will switch in my Kaleidos eye primer. This is the tone activated eye primer, so this one is decluttered, this one is moving in. I used it once in January, so this one will be decluttered and this one will be moved in. Another product I used up is my Bear With Me concealer. You can definitely tell from where I used it up. I used this one 17 times, so that is great. I love that. And yeah, I absolutely love this. This one is still empty and will be decluttered. And I moved in this one, which is the Makeup Revolution Eye Bright Illuminating Under Eye Concealer in Porcelain. And here is the like there is the one where I started it, so you can definitely tell there's not much left in this as well. I have a third concealer though, so yeah, this one will be moving in, and I used it 4 times in January. This one is empty and will be decluttered. This one is moving in. Now let's come to powders. I used my Fit Me powder, and this is the pressed version, 20 times in January, and you can definitely tell I'm trying to, like, listen, I am trying to use it up. I did try to loosen it a little bit on the side so I can use it better, so that's why it's looking like this. And I used also the Fit Me powder in the loose version 9 times. Yes, 9 times. So yeah, I need to like make a cut, but listen, it's not that easy to like make a streak somewhere, so just so you know. But yeah, I'm documenting how many times I use it. So 9 times, and this one I used 20 times. Also, I used my Hydrogrip primer 6 times. I have a mark here. You can definitely tell this stuff is like not going fast, but yeah, this one I used 6 times. Super happy about that. Let's talk about foundations as well. I am still using the Beautiful Skin foundation from Charlotte Tilbury. This is how she looks like, and listen, listen, there is just a little bit left. I think in February I can definitely finish this, and then I will use another one of my foundations that I'm planning on using. So just so you know, but yeah, still I used this 4 times. I'm working on this one. I have to say I was a little bit lazy about the setting spray situation. I just used this 2 times, and yeah, it's not like I marked the point where the spray is, like the first phase. There was a little misunderstanding, so that's why there is another like streak here. But again, I just used it twice, so I was a little bit lazy with that, but I need to use it more, and that's what I want to use. To be honest, I don't use this to like spray my shadows or anything. That's why I use just this like a really cheap one from Essence. So yeah, just so you know, but yeah, twice. Let's talk about face products I use on a daily, and these ones are of course my like things I use in the morning when I need to get ready for work. So we do have first the Clean ID bronzer from Catrice. This one is in the shade 010, which I think is the only shade, and I think it's discontinued, but you can definitely tell I am really good at this. I think I did definitely make some progress, which I am super excited about. I used this one 15 times. 15 times. I definitely love that, and yeah, this is amazing. And then of course I used my blush from MAC. This is the one in Blush Please. This is the Glow Play blush. I used this 14 times, and I definitely have more hit the pans. I did press it a little bit back. This one is more of a putty formula, just so you know, but yeah, I pressed it a little bit back. So now, like last month, you saw a bigger hit the pan, and because I pressed it back, it's less of a hit the pan. But again, I'm trying to use up also the sides, so that's why I press it back. But yeah, I am working on that. And then another 15 times is the Natasha Denona highlighter, a Super Glow highlighter, and this one again I used 15 times. This one is in the shade 01 Fair, and definitely see, I think it is getting a little bit bigger, to be honest. From the highlighter I just use a little bit because listen, I don't need like a full face glow. But yeah, that is indeed the progress with my highlighter here. Then we come to the other side of the products I use when I do like YouTube, Instagram, all the things, because I do have the other set. And then we have some bronzing products as well as a highlighter. And I am super excited because I finished my Peri Para, which one is it? Ink V shading in the shades 03 Hazel Grey. This one was broken. I used it 7 times, and yeah, this is gorgeous, amazing, love that, to be honest. I did indeed roll in a new one. This is definitely the same, it is the same, and this one again is Ink V shading in 03 Hazel Grey. I didn't use this in January though, because yeah, I just used this one and used it up. But yeah, this is how it looked like when I started, and this one is a brand new one. Again, I did buy this last year at some point when I did an order from Yes Style. So yeah, this one is out, this one is in. And then for the other products that are the same for YouTube, Instagram, all this thing, is of course my Nabla Skin Bronzing in the shade Umbra. I think this, like, I definitely think you can tell there is indeed a bigger pan. Still trying to use it up. I think when I look from the side, there is still a lot of product in here. I am hoping though that I can finish this in 2023. I do like it. It is a really great shade. I used it 7 times, and then I used the highlighter I used for all the like YouTube bronzing, which I do have on my skin as well today, and that is the Maybelline Face Studio Chrome Extreme Intense Metallic Highlighter in 200 Diamond Glow. I don't think you can buy this anymore. I'm not sure. Maybe it was limited edition also. I couldn't find it on the internet. But yeah, this is this one. I used it 6 times, so you can definitely tell I did my makeup 7 times in total this month for YouTube. But yeah, this is the shadow, like the highlighter. It is still gorgeous. Again, I think you can't tell even that I used it at all, because I did repress this one, and yeah, it is not like, listen, from highlighter you just use a little bit, so that is the main issue, I would say. But yeah, again, I do like it a lot. So yeah, 6 times. I did use my lash glue 9 times. I even like did some lashes when I was working, like these ones which they are like half lashes, which I think are quite nice and natural. So yeah, I did use this 9 times, which I am super grateful. And then I also have my NYX lip liner. This one is in Natural. You can definitely tell I used it some. I don't think you can see like a big difference to the last month or the start of this project pan. I did use it 7 times in this month. I am trying to be better in using lip liners and don't forget them all the time. I'm trying here. I'm still loving the NYX lip liners. I definitely love them and love the color. It is really kind of natural, like the name says, and yeah, I do like this quite a bit. Again, products you probably can't tell a difference is the Bobbi Brown New Romantic Lip Gloss. These ones are the crushed oil infused glosses by Bobbi Brown. I do love them. They're so nice on the lips, really moisturizing. Like, they're good lip oil. They give a little bit of color, not too much. Again, this is the shade New Romantic. I used this one 16 times. It is, even if I don't use like lipstick or lip liner, I will use this. Even though you can't tell because I am wearing masks in my job. But again, I do love this 16 times. And then I also put in last month like a glitter to, like, because I like the look of it. And this is the Pixie by Petra Crystalline Liquid Fairy Glow. Is it that? Liquid Fairy Lights in Crystalline. I used it twice. Yeah, I was not into it quite. Listen, I was not into it last month. I will be though. Again, I do want to use it up. I don't know if you can tell. I think like last month I didn't see a big difference. I think you can definitely tell here. But there is not so many product left. So again, I used it twice. I definitely want to use this up because I do have a lot of these type of products, and listen, I did want to get my money worth out of them. And the last products are two, one of which I used up and the other one I'm still using. Listen, I'm working on that. The product I did use up is my mascara. This one is getting clumpy and under eyes. Other than this, it worked quite well, but it did get a little thicker. The formula was changing, so I know this one needs to be sorted out. And this is the Serum Perfect Curling Mascara. I did change it to another one, though I am not sure if I want to, like, listen, I am using at the moment the Essence the False Lashes Mascara Extreme Volume. I'm not sure about this yet. If I like it and it didn't give me panda eyes, I will put it into the project, but so far I'm not sure about that, so we'll see about that. Yeah, but this one is empty. I used this 13 times, and then I also have, of course, lipstick, and this one is the Crushed Lip Color by Bobbi Brown, and this is a Shazam Nude. I'm thinking this is how you pronounce that, and this is what is in here. I used this one 6 times, so I don't think you can like see a big difference, but I hope that at the end of the year I finish this one up. So let's pray for that. And these were all the like updates for my project pan. I emptied 4 products in total, which I am so excited about, and I put in back into the project 3 products, which mean I am at the moment at 25 products. Again, I emptied 4 and put in 3, which I am grateful, really grateful. I think again the foundation will be probably like emptied out in February, so I will put in another foundation. I'm not sure about it yet, but I have some foundations in mind. Of course, I will keep you posted. So if you want to see more of this content, more project pan, then subscribe to this channel. I love that. And also, if you want to see like another update, I will give you an update at the end of February about my 2nd month on this journey, and I hope you are here again as well. And yeah, I wish you a beautiful week, and we see us in my next video. Bye guys.